Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Ramachandran of Ramachandran Law. Or if you're on our YouTube channel, My Lawyer Next Door, click the bell and click the subscribe button. We're always looking forward to having more subscribers. So our next topic today is going to be about intestacy. We call when a person dies without a will, we call it that they have died intestate, without a will. So if you die without a will, there are rules to govern how your assets get distributed, but it may not be to your liking. So this is governed by the Ontario Succession Law Reform Act. It's a legislation that's out there to set a series of rules to say that, hey, if an individual has passed away without a will, then this is how it should go. So under these rules, what will happen is you want to count out how many people are, how many children that person has had, and whether they have a living spouse. The definition of a spouse is A, they have to be a traditionally married spouse with a marriage certificate, so it cannot be common law, and B, it cannot be an ex-spouse. That means formally divorced. However, if you don't have a formal divorce and you're just living separated, they are still considered a spouse under these rules. So if you want to avoid all this ambiguity, just get a will. Get a simple will, and then later on you can always expand into a more complex will. So let's talk about the different scenarios of how your assets get distributed if you die intestate. So what happens is, if you do have a valid spouse, your spouse has the right to claim the first $200,000 from the total estate as their share. And this is a special rule allocated to spouses, so they get a little bit more than what everyone else will do, because the court and legislature has structured it that, you know, they've lived all this life with you. Just because you don't have a will, you shouldn't get shafted. So this is their little carrot to them. And then let's say this estate's $500,000 as a total money in the pot, $200,000 goes to a spouse, and you have 2 children. What will happen is now you have 2 children and a spouse to make 3 people, and the rest of it gets divided equally into 3. So the spouse who already has $200,000 will get another $100,000, $300,000. Child 1 will get $100,000, child 2 will get another $100,000, and you have $500,000. So this may not be ideal, this may not be how you want it to be structured, but if you do die without a will, you have died intestate, and those rules will govern. So for more questions, please feel free to contact us, or go through our other videos and our content, and if you still can't find anything, let us know, and that might become the next topic or next video that we share. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the next video.